This is Geometry Chapter 5, Lesson 3 on page 195. So it's the triangle side, and angle inequalities. All right, what in the world does that mean? Here's what it means. There is some sort of relationship, and I have said this, between the angles and the lengths of the sides opposite them. Okay, we got to make sure this adds up to 180. So y'all help me. What's this last angle?
62.
Well, it's 10 and 110. It's 10 and 110. So it's 120.
I thought it was 108.
It's 110, yeah. So it's 60 degrees. So 10, 110, 60. We'll say this one is 125 degrees. We'll say this one is 25 degrees. What's this one? 30. Okay, I'm gonna make up lengths of sides. Not even sure if it would work, but that's a lesson for Monday.
You don't have school Monday.
I mean Wednesday.
Wait, that's not
Wednesday.
30 degrees.
What?
Oh wait, no, I didn't see that.
I'm making up lengths of sides.
Yeah, sorry, no, I didn't see the 5 on the 105.
Yeah, 100 degrees.
Yeah.
All right, we'll say that that is 20. So this one has to be like, we'll make it 30, 12. That would work. All right, so this one would be like, all right, that would work. All right, so what's the smallest angle in this triangle? Yes, the 10 degrees. What's the shortest side?
The one opposite it.
The one opposite it. All right, so we go from 10 degrees to 60 degrees to 110 degrees. The sides opposite go in the same order. This is going to be the shortest side. This is going to be the side in between, and this is going to be the longest side, such that the side opposite the shortest angle is the smallest side. All right, so what does this one say? If this lesson says, if 10 degrees is less than 60 degrees, is less than 110 degrees, then I can say the sides opposite them are unequal in the same order. The last 3 words are important. In the same order, such that 3 is less than 12 is less than 20. In the same order. I can't say 3 is less than 20 is less than 12. You see how order matters? All right, so again, opposite the 25 is the shortest side. Opposite 30 is the middle length. Opposite 125 is the longest length. Now, what if I just labeled these A, B, C, and this would be A, B, C, because the opposite side is always the lowercase letter. If I told you that B is greater than C, what can I know? If I tell you angle B is greater than angle C, what can I know, Megan? That side B is going to be greater than side C. Does that make sense? What if I tell you that A is less than C? Then what can I know? If side A is less than side C, then what can I know, Elliot?
The angle C is greater than angle A.
That angle C is greater than angle A. Because when the sides of the triangle are unequal, the sides opposite them are unequal in the same order. Got it? When the sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angles opposite them are unequal in the same order. When the angles are unequal, then the sides opposite them are unequal in the same order. Okay, I'm going to write it down. If I tell you angle A is greater than angle B is greater than angle C, that's angles. The angles are unequal. Then the sides opposite them are unequal in the same order. Does that make sense? If the sides, let's just use different letters. If the sides of a triangle are unequal, then what's true? Landry.
The angles are the same.
The angles opposite them are unequal in the same order. Do not leave off the words in the same order. Let's write an inequality for these angles. Somebody give me an inequality for these angles. Go ahead, Landry.
What would angle J is less than angle K, which is less than angle L.
Yes. Yes. All right, so what's the smallest angle? J. J is less than K, should have drawn the arrow this way, is less than L. Make sense? So we could say J is less than K, we could say J is less than L, we could say K is less than L. Make sense? All right, now, what if I had this? All right, what would be an inequality for this triangle? Ari.
That side G is less than.
Okay, let's use the two letters that here. We don't have lowercase letters. So what's the side G what? GF or GE?
What?
Side GF or side GE? We have three sides. We have FE. We have EG. We have GF.
Okay, so then side FE
Side FE
is greater than side FG
yes.
is greater than side GE or EG.
Either way, it doesn't matter. That is correct. Got it? That's what this lesson is all about. The angle dictates the length of the side opposite it.